Get ready for an exciting IPL 2026 match as Rajasthan Royals take on Royal Challengers Bengaluru tonight at the Parspara Cricket Stadium in Guwahati. The match is scheduled to start at 7:30 p.m. IST. RR have been strong at this ground and will look to keep their winning run going. RCB are under pressure and need a win to stay in the playoff race. Parspara usually gives us high scores, short boundaries and a quick outfield. Toss will be key because dew comes in later. Some key players watch out are Yashvi Jaiswal for RR. For RCB, Virat Kohli will have to fire. It's a big game for both teams. Who are you supporting tonight, RR or RCB? Let me know in the comments.